Hello and welcome to another episode of Today's Medicine. I'm Dr. Hugo Pellegrinolo, and today I'll be talking about the use of medical marijuana to help on the treatment of coronavirus. Thank you very much for watching today's videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, we do have English, Spanish, Portuguese, and French subtitles. Could cannabis help fight COVID? New study reveals two chemicals that may block infection. A non-psychoactive compound found in live cannabis plants could help sabotage the spike protein on coronaviruses, scientists have found. A study by scientists at Oregon State University and Oregon Health and Science University found that two acids present in hemp, a type of cannabis plant used widely in cloth, paper, and as a drug, were able to jam the gears of the virus that causes COVID-19. The researchers said that two compounds can bind onto the SARS-CoV virus spike protein, which it uses to invade and commandeers human cells and which gives the coronavirus family its name. However, the compounds probably cannot be consumed via any of the traditional methods of taking cannabis as a drug, meaning they would have to be harvested separately to make a specific medicine. These cannabinoid acids are abundant in hemp and in many hemp extracts, said lead author Richard Van Bremen. They are not controlled substances like THC, the psychoactive ingredient in marijuana, and have a good safety profile in humans. And our research showed that hemp compounds were equally effective against variants of SARS-CoV. The study, published in a peer-reviewed Journal of Natural Products on Monday, 11th January 2022, examined numerous plant extracts such as red clover, wild yam, hops, and licorice for potential affinity with the COVID spike proteins. The spike protein is a microscopic structure, producing, meaning as coming out or salient on the body of the virus, featuring chemical receptor sites that have evolved to bind onto the outer parts of the human cells. If another chemical binds to those receptors, it can block them, making them useless. The two compounds that works best were cannabidiolic acid, known as CBGA, and cannabidiolic acid, known as CBDA, both precursors to the better-known chemicals in cannabis drugs. The former exists only where the cannabis plant is growing, while the latter is converted into CBD, one of the key ingredients in recreational and medicinal cannabis, through burning, vaping, or baking. The chemicals worked well against both the alpha and beta variants of coronavirus, raising the prospect that they might also function against Omicron and other mutations. Our data shows CBDA and CBGA are effective against the two variants we looked at, and we hope that trends will expand to another existing and future variants, said Mr. Van Bremen. This might be helpful for people since we are already on the third year of COVID-19. As always, do not forget to talk with your personal doctor before starting using cannabis to treat coronavirus, okay? So if you have any doubt at all, you can always send me an email at hugo.loh@gmail.com. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.